Got one together. Uh, so basically, I decided not to glue it in case I ever need to take it apart. So I just shot a screw through there and along the tops as well as in the front on this front part right here. But I said it's just going to be, and it's solid. So I decided not to glue it just in case something changed. But and like I said, I may end up doing something totally different after this. But for right now, I'm gonna do 4 more of these and then put some wheels on them to get it together. I hope. So hopefully that helped with the assembly of one of them, showing you how I was putting them together. I forgot to cut the rest of my tops, so I'll be cutting them as I assemble the rest of them. So I got this one laid together, get ready to put it together off camera. So hopefully I've got 2 more, and I actually cut them. I actually cut these too long, so I'll be going back and cutting them off later. Uh, so yeah, stick around. Hopefully I get this thing finished up in a week or so and get it put together and loaded up with lumber. Appreciate y'all. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. If you're enjoying what you see, leave a comment down below what you think and keep making. Okay, so I got all these assembled now, and I know I said, and it wasn't long after I put another one together, I realized that I know I said I was going to cut these off to make a box to mount to the side of it for smaller pieces. I thought it's there, might as well use it. So I'm actually going to use these for shelves and just add a couple more in between here, and then box it in from the inside, outside, and so forth. So, like I said, I'm on the fly, just make it as I go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Most of the time it does. I make it work if it don't. So you know what I'm talking about. Nothing a hammer can't fix. So yeah, I got these, got all these assembled. I'll get ready to, and I used every single board. So I had it added just right, but I didn't add in for my rails on top and bottom to actually attach all of them together and have them set in. So I had to get a few more. I've actually got some that I may use, and I may go get a couple more unless I can scrounge something up. So for the most part, these are all assembled. That part's out of the way. Now we just got to get it together, get wheels on it. And anybody, I'm taking volunteers, wants to come help me unload all this wood and put it in here, is more than welcome to come on down. Y'all have a good one. Keep making.